All right, guys, we are here at Cedar Point, and we are walking back into the Iron Dragon queue area, where you will be able to see the Top Thrill 2 spike supports being installed. And there you go. Wow, they are much bigger in person, for sure. You see the other supports on the other side leading up to the spike. You're going to get some major interaction when you ride Iron Dragon and spike. For sure, you're going to go right underneath it. Very, very cool. Check that out right there. Yep, right there's those supports. Oh, go on. Excuse me.
Yeah, it's like
Addison and Hayden, I'm coming. Excuse me.
Vivian, hold on, they're separated.
Thank you. All right, there you go. There's the supports. Check it out. Right there. All right, guys, we're gonna go ride Iron Dragon and get you guys some more footage on the other side of what's going on here. Top Thrill 2. All right, guys, we're standing here in the queue still, and wanted to give you an update on the painting process. You can see there's little sections of red still that they still need to paint, but you can see they're making their way up the tower. You still see we got the red here, which will be a red-white checkered setting here, but you can see the white starting to dominate the area here.
There's only one.
Then you can see that they are starting to do work over here on the end of the station, and you can see the big section for the actual track to be secured to for the spike actually being installed. Very awesome. So once we ride Iron Dragon, get some lunch, we're going to head over to that other side of the area to get more of an update from you for you. All right, everybody, here you go. Here's the painting from the backside of the tower for Top Thrill 2. Check it out. You see that they have a lot more to go here, but they're working on it as quickly as they can get it done.